For those of you who have seen my acne story, which I shared 5 years ago, well, guess what? The past 3 years has been a terrible acne journey for me. In fact, it was worse than what I experienced 7 years ago. So this video is in partnership with iHerb. I want to share with you how natural supplements and food helped with my acne. If you have not heard of iHerb, it is a global leader in bringing the best overall value in natural products to their customers all over the world. They guarantee that you will receive the best overall value in over 30,000 brand name natural products. So I'm going to share my own personal experience. These are a few of my acne pictures, which, to be honest, I'm really nervous right now because I've never shared these pictures with anybody before. So that picture was taken 3 years ago. As you can see, I knew that at that point, I'm going to go through another phase of really terrible acne. And that was one of the lowest points in my life. I have to be honest, I did go to the beauty treatment center and went through really painful and rough extraction. It did help a little bit for a little while, but then it got worse again. And at that time, I knew that I didn't want to go down the road of taking medicinal drugs again because I've done that before, and once I stopped, I know that my acne is going to come back. If you can look at my skin right now, this is me without any makeup on, except a little bit of eye makeup. So if you do notice, I do still experience breakout and also post-acne scarring. And this picture right here, this picture was actually taken right after a workout session. I mean, to be honest, at that point, I truly lost all confidence. I mean, I do receive a lot of comments from you guys asking me to share about my skin routine, my hair routine, but deep down, that was what I was going through. And I mean, like, I know people say that your skin doesn't define you, but when you have to constantly be in front of the camera, you have to constantly be filming or attend events, I could not go out with a face like that. I know that makeup is bad for your skin, but at the same time, if I don't put on makeup, I just don't have the confidence to go out. So I went through that really bad phase, I would say for 2 years, from early 2016 to early 2018. It was constant up and down, constant up and down. If you look at my lifestyle, I do believe that I eat well and I do lead an active lifestyle. I work out at least 4 times a week. So at that point, I knew that it has nothing to do with the kind of, the types of food I'm eating or my lifestyle, but it was more of hormonal acne in my case. I remember even telling my videographers to never take any close-up shots of me. Stay as far as you can, do not capture my skin. And then, you ask yourself, why me? Why do I have to go through this again? Yes, my skin has improved tremendously for the past 1 year. But if you ask me, will I ever go through this again? The truth is, I don't know. But for the past 2 years, I've experimented with different treatments as well as different products. And I want to share with you these 5 natural supplements which have helped with my acne. I got all my products from iHerb because they offer a triple guarantee to ensure that their customers are 100% satisfied. As a California-based superstore, they guarantee that all their products are authentic brands sold in the US market and is committed to providing quality assurance for all their products. Plus, they're shipped directly from climate-controlled warehouses. So I know exactly what I'm putting into my body. So this first product is Nature's Way Fortified Dual Action Digestive Complete Probiotics and Enzymes. Ever since I was young, I knew that I have poor digestion. I do suffer from IBS, bloating, gas, and even constipation. Even the smallest trigger, whether it's from my food or even stress, will affect my digestion. So I knew that no matter how well I ate, my body wasn't fully absorbing the nutrients. So since taking this product, it has helped to balance my gut and allowing my body to better absorb the nutrients. Hence, I have seen improvement on my skin and my skin is less irritated. So other high probiotic foods include tempeh, kombucha, kimchi, sauerkraut, ACV, yogurt, and even cheese. So these are really good probiotic foods which you can add more into your diet. The next supplement is Nature's Way Alive Hair, Skin, and Nails Multivitamin. Some of the vitamins and minerals which can help with your skin health include vitamin A, C, D, E, K, zinc, magnesium, and selenium. And this supplement contains all the vitamins and minerals and more. Remember, acne equals inflammation. Vitamin A has antioxidant properties which can help to reduce inflammation. In my case, it has helped to reduce the redness of my skin. Some of the fruits and vegetables which are high in vitamin A include squashes, bell pepper, oranges, tomatoes, carrots. Basically, just think of red and orange fruits or vegetables. Zinc also acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, hence helping me achieve clearer skin. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps with stress-related acne. I knew that at that period in my life, I was going through a lot of stress because at that point, I just started my own company. So in a way, it's not just my hormone, but also my stress level. So taking this supplement, in fact, has helped me to balance my hormone levels. When it comes to food which are high in zinc and magnesium, you can go for shellfish, nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin and sesame seeds, soybeans such as edamame, my favorite, dark leafy greens, especially spinach, as well as avocado. The next supplement is something we all should consume, whether or not you suffer from acne. Fish oil, mainly for its omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 is especially useful if you do suffer from hormonal acne, which is my case. It helps to regulate acne-causing hormones such as testosterone, which causes the overproduction of sebum. So foods high in omega-3 fatty acids which I like to consume include cold water fatty fish such as mackerel, salmon, tuna, herring and sardines, as well as nuts and seeds such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. So we all know the benefits of omega-3, but we often overlook the benefits of omega-6. So my next product is Nature's Way Evening Primrose. Too much of omega-6 is bad for you. So it is about finding the balance between having enough omega-3 as well as omega-6 in your diet. The most significant attributes of Evening Primrose is helping with hormonal imbalance. This can also help your cells to rebuild and rejuvenate itself, which can help with post-acne scarring. So these seeds are high in omega-6 fatty acids: hemp, flax, grape, pumpkin, sunflower, as well as acai. And the final product has to be my favorite. I apply this on a daily basis. Nature's Way Hydra Plenish, which is a hydration facial therapy. So my skin type is dry, but at the same time, I can't apply those heavy cream because it will cause my pores to clog up. So I really like this serum because it leaves my skin feeling light and hydrated without feeling greasy. It is really simple. All you have to do is press about 2 pumps onto your skin and just rub it and dab it onto your skin. I like to use it immediately after shower, and even when I'm out and about and whenever I feel my skin is dry, that's when I will use this as well. This product also contains vitamin C, and vitamin C helps with the production of collagen, and this can help with your skin, especially after a major acne breakout. I love this and I do use this on a daily basis. It has helped to brighten my complexion and reduce post-acne scarring. And you know what? You can even use this on top of your makeup whenever you feel that your skin is dry or tight. You can get all of my favorite products from iHerb. They guarantee delivery of your order and provide free or discounted shipping to over 150 countries. And if you do live outside of the US, do check out iHerb's shipping methods to your country in the link below. And be sure to check out my description box for links to all the products mentioned in this video. So this is my own personal journey of battling against acne. If you're going through it right now, I know how it feels, and it can affect your confidence level. But the truth is that it will not cure overnight. It will not cure, in a week's time. It might take years in my case. But it's very important to continue to feed your body with good food and supplements and stay active on a regular basis, okay? Look after your body as well as your mental and emotional health. So if you're going through acne right now, share your story with me in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Do share this video with someone who might be suffering from acne. And I hope that you will find this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more nutritional tips, healthy recipes, as well as workout videos. All the best and share your acne story with me.